In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook page. Creating a Facebook page is completely free, and the good news is that the process only takes a few minutes from start to finish. This is a great option if you want to build an online presence for a business, brand, community, public figure profile, or even a personal project. Facebook makes the setup process simple, and you can do it either from a computer or through the mobile app. To get started, head over to Facebook and log into your personal Facebook account. This is important because Facebook pages are created and managed through a personal account, even though the page itself can be separate from your personal profile. If you're using a desktop browser, open Facebook as you normally would. If you're on mobile, just launch the Facebook app and make sure you're signed in. Once you're inside Facebook, look for the main menu. Depending on the device you're using, the menu may appear in a slightly different place, but it will usually be easy to spot. Open that menu and find the Pages section. This is where Facebook groups together all page-related tools and options. After you open Pages, click or tap Create. This will start the page creation process. Facebook will then guide you through a few prompts to help you set everything up. The first thing you'll need to do is choose a name for your page. Pick a name that clearly represents your business, organization, brand, or topic, so people can easily recognize it. Next, you'll be asked to add a category. This helps Facebook understand what your page is about and can also help people find it more easily. Choose the category that best fits your page. If there are several close matches, select the one that most accurately describes what you offer or represent. As you go through these prompts, take a moment to review what you're entering before moving on. A clear page name and the right category can make a big difference in how professional and searchable your page feels right from the beginning. And that's really the core of getting your Facebook page created. Once you've logged into your personal account, opened the menu, selected Pages, clicked Create, and followed the prompts to enter your page name and category, you're on your way. From there, Facebook will continue guiding you through the rest of the setup. That's it for this tutorial. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll have your Facebook page created in just a few minutes,